Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So just a quick video to let you know, and as you can see, that once again, Google and YouTube Music have rolled out the latest quarterly recap. And it's the March to May recap 2024, which basically in my region would be the autumn recap, and depending on your region, that could be the spring recap of 2024. Now, I started posting regarding these different recaps way back in 2021, where they rolled out the yearly 2021 recap. Then we got 2022, we got a couple of the quarterly recaps, we got the yearly recap for 2022, and then we got a couple of quarterly recaps for 23, the 2023 yearly recap, and then the last video I posted was on the December to February recap, and now, as mentioned, we've got our latest quarterly recap. And just a quick overview in case you're unaware, your quarterly recaps give you your top 50 artists and songs for that time period, where your yearly recaps, you get your top 100 songs and artists. And I always found this interesting because it's interesting to see what you were actually listening to over the course of that time period. And I basically listen to my music through YouTube Music on a daily basis. So I always found it interesting to go back and reflect on some of the music and songs and artists I was listening to during that given time period. And when this rolls out, what I like to do as a kind of a safety net is I like to hit to my three-dotted menu on each playlist and on the playlist. And I like to add it to my library. I've already added it, but I like to add it to my library because for whatever reason, if they decide to remove one of these, you've always got it in your library, and you can also save it to another playlist. And then you've got access to basically a history of your top favorite artists and songs, and just putting it out there if you are tied into the Google ecosystem and you are listening to your music through YouTube Music. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.